We're back again. Shut the door. Yo, what are we up to today? Well, I got some new parts. Got like a new bride seat. I got a brake master, brake booster. I got all the bolts for that. We ended up putting that in, put the brake pedal in, seats in, new seat rails in, dash is all bolted down. Got some new semi-slicks. We got quite a few things, so we'll take you through the new things that we got. Pretty mean weather at the moment. Try not to show my street because I might have another person pulling up to my house uninvited. If you've seen that on my story, don't ever pull up to my house uninvited because this is my garage, not yours, and you should not come here. But anyway, it's raining. And yeah, here we go. Here's the whip. Looking fancy. Looking good. Hopefully, there's quite a few holes in it, but... Oh, we got new indicators. They're from Moonlight Racing. Some new semi-slicks. I got these from Guy Maxwell, that choice guy. Hooked me up with these 215 4517 semi-slicks. Courtesy of 360 Link. Shout out to them. And boom, we got the new banner. Got the new banner. Looks pretty good. As you can see, all the holes. Oh, it's probably actually going through here. Oh, just a few holes. You almost got like a full, complete interior now. Well, we actually do. Got both the seats in there. Dashes in there, suede dashes in there. Everything's in there, it's looking pretty good. Oh, got the brake pedal in there, have a look down there. Everything's in there. I just need the pins and clips just for the brake master and clutch master. And now, where were we? So we got that outside, chilling. Just gonna put this back in now, and put the drive shaft back in. Vacuum this up. This definitely needs a tidy up, so we'll get onto that too. But I'm so stoked on the 13. Look how mean that thing's looking with the 17, 18 stagger. You already know. You already know we had to. 50mm spacer up front. You already know. But it kind of stayed. Oh yeah. What about this? Low bought a whole complete S14 dash setup, uncracked. That's cut for S13 or yeah 180SX, but yeah, it's not cracked or anything. Got the dash cover, couple vents in there, center console, glove box, everything's there. So yeah, I bought that. But yeah, I mean, throw me an offer that I can't resist, and I might sell it to you. So yeah. But it's a pretty mean angle, eh? So my drive shaft hoop is back in. As you can see, it's in there. Whole drive shaft back in, finally. Now I just need to grab an axle. I've got an axle there. If anyone has a passenger axle, please let me know. That's all I need, and I can put this thing on the damn ground. Fire, what's good? We're back again. It's freezing, it's like -2 up in here. Go down to the panel beaters, and we're gonna take this S14 down there finally. After like 2 months of sitting here, I got it semi-drivable, so we'll be able to take it down there today. Gonna change this wheel over, and then we're gonna chuck the bumper in the back of that car, and yeah, we'll be on our way. Oh. the soup. Up the soup. Photos. So hopefully this should be the last time you see it without a front bumper. Nah, probably not, but things down there. Some nice fitment.